My people, how na day? My name na AU David. Awamialu one, Biagudu Yoli, Ogadagu himself. They say that respect na him make foul the bedan when he reach domot. Not discuss say foul it all. Now wetin dog do for where yam dey, na make them dey pursue dog for where yam dey. Today we have bogus news. Nigeria government don reject transparent international ranking. The federal government of Nigeria don talk and say this one when they rank, when they do say Nigeria they increase for corruption, say na lie, na they talk. Say the man wey dey Aso Rock, the oga himself, the pataki, the man when he be say na talk na do, say the man he not corrupt. The man himself, he dey fight corruption with all the power when he get. They use blow, they use kick, they use everything till they fight corruption. In fact, corruption not in Nigeria again. Say Mr. Integrity na the office. Why Transparent International will come talk and say Nigeria they increase, say Nigeria they high. Because this time when they rank all of them, they come rank and say Nigeria they rank 146 out of 180. Say, do you hear what I said? I said Nigeria rank 146 out of 180. Now the federal government shout, no. The last one they did it where we were 144. They did it where in 2018. They said in 2018 when they did it very well. We rose to a place from 148 to 144. Why be said this period now we will go up again? We're supposed to come down. That time when they say una increase, una not tell them say they don't know what they do. But now when they come tell una say corruption don't increase well more than before. Now una tell them say they don't know what they do. Say the mechanism what they use till they do this thing, it not do well. It's very poor. Say the thing, they don't put the thing in order. But the time when they rank una say una go right, una rise for the ranking, una they celebrate. Then now they tell una say una don't corrupt again. Una they cry. Una say that the amount when they talk and they smell, may they go brush. See that they smell. You know, person will not want change. Any advice when you give her, he will tell you say, not be that kind of advice you supposed to give me. See the advice when you supposed to give me. You know the advice before. Why you not fair advise yourself? You know what thing good. Why you not fair doing? Now the talk now say they don't know waiting. You know the right way to do the thing. Say they made mistakes. Say EFCC and ICPC that they arrest people. Una think say na propaganda wey they do for Nigeria. This is Transparency International. They tell una the truth now. Instead make una sit up bed, do the right thing. Una they accuse them. See your face. Una think say una they do. The world no know. We don't know. We know how. Even only the rules of law when una they trample on, you know, reach to carry on and go up. They say for Nigeria is a rank number 1 in Africa, the most corrupt nation in Africa. Nigeria number 1. Can you imagine that? And imagine it. Can you imagine it? I beg, make I leave these people. How you see this matter? Just is it true say Nigeria they corrupt the go, or Nigeria they leave corruption. I bet may I see your own comment, how you view the transparent and Transparency International, are they right or wrong about this ranking? On your own view, is Nigeria increasing in fighting corruption, or stagnant, or we are even getting more corrupt? My brother or my sister, leave your comment below the comment in the comment box. So and in case you have not subscribed, please, this is the time to do that. God bless you. And if you have subscribed, God bless you.